All right, had to get a couple things out of there. A while back Holly and I bought another golf cart. This is actually one that's not running. We do have one that's running, but I've got literally 3 bodies here. I've got like a black body, I got a red body, and I got the white body that goes on this. I've got 2 sets of regular tires. Here's all my steel that was out underneath the shed. Here's all my parts that are still here. Yeah, maybe one day I'll hook that up, go through here. This is literally like 1/3 the size of the shop that I had. So this is a 10 by 30. And so it just barely fits right up here, which, I mean, well, that's not barely, but I guess I can roll that forward more. It's not without its creaks and its little bugs and shit. So I don't know. I was looking for a power wire. But anyway, yeah, see, there's all kinds of room. This is Landon's first bike. We got him an electric bike for, oh yeah, didn't even say that. Holly has a son. He's 18 years old. We already got him off to college. So I was able to be around for his last almost, well, a year and a half of high school. And then now he's going to college. And so we got him an electric trike so that he has a little basket in the back to be able to put his books and stuff and make his way around campus. I think in 4 weeks, he's already put 100 miles on that bike. It's like, what? He gets bored and he just goes for a ride. I mean, isn't that what it's all about? So anyway, I've got to get this stuff. I still have this that I need to get back in there. Looking at a Boss Elite that we'll be installing in there. Kind of hard to see in the dark. I do want to hang some lights up in here, some shop lights. I may not do it right there, but I'm thinking I can hang 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know I've got 4 shop lights. And then all I'd need to do is when I get here, park back here, start my generator, and run an extension cord out, plug it in, and I'd have power to this little area. So that's the plan. I don't think I have, oh yeah, I gotta get, this has gotta go also in here. It's gotta go back. Might have to go back to the house. We need to get this covered in black. I've got the back seats are gonna be covered in black to match the front seat for now. Let me move this back. So in that way, that's even with that. So, but yeah. All right, we're at the other storage. The main storage, the one we're trying to get everything into. Here I go again, not filming. But there's a whole bunch of new stuff in here, like I said. Holly did the door panels. I put in the sound deadener. We put in new carpet. She painted a lot of these panels. We still gotta do the dash. This is how I can get her out because it's so tall. Anyway, this is what I'm working with. Now I gotta sort some of this shit out. And I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I have my big black toolbox. I want to put it in front of the golf cart there. I'd like to build like an upper storage above the golf cart, so a lot of that stuff can get moved, and then that way I can build up higher. That's a rear bumper for Lucy, the truck. I got to get these lights up. It's a whole lot to do. So let me get a few of these things done. Set my drink there. I got to get some stuff moved around. I don't think I'm going to be recording this because I just want to get it done. Please understand. So, all right. Here's the look at it now. I got to get some shit moved around. Hopefully it's a little bit brighter for you guys, but I got basically had to do a lot of measuring. Made a couple little scratch marks on the ground to show where I am. But I can put those things there. If I pull straight in, I'll be able to open the door at the end over there. But this gives me probably about, I don't know, 6 6 or more inches on both sides if I can take it straight down the center. And then that gives me, at the front, I put 16 feet allotted, or 16 and a half comes right to this tire. So if I can bump the tire, then I'm all the way in. But as you can see, this will give me from the front, I'll barely see, it'll give me roughly about 3 feet in front of it with that toolbox there. And I'll actually put my big black toolbox here. Then that way I can stack stuff on top of it against the wall. That'll eventually become more storage on a second tier. So a lot of these boxes that don't need to be over here can go over there. That leaves room for my vise right there. Leaves room for my press right here. And then paint and stuff and whatnot will fit right there. And then all the other doohickey shit. But yeah, hopefully I can get in here without killing the truck. We will see. All right. Let me run. That bright light's probably going to get in your eyes. Okay. Hopefully it'll start. It'll start. Alright, maybe I should move this chair. Alright. This over here. I don't know if you guys can see, but not too bad. I really need to maybe redo my brakes. I don't know. I really don't think it's needing the brakes to be redone. Yeah. I think I left more space on that side than I did on this side. I gotta disconnect this battery. Otherwise, I can't even see where this goes right now. There it is. I'm gonna cut you guys off because you can't probably hardly see anything, or you can, and I'm just gonna shut it off.